Hello! In this video I show about the maintenance and printhead replacement on Canon PIXMA G series models. The basic configurations and regional names are on the screen. I will show the following in this video, and for the detailed product review check the video in the upper right corner of the screen. I have set up the printers in the previous videos. Find the video for USB only models and for the Wi-Fi model with no display as well. To access maintenance operations on no display models, it's most practical to install the device to the computer and then use the remote user interface, where you also select the custom media size on the devices. The computer installation of USB models is covered in the previous video. Find it in the upper right corner of the screen notification. Let's talk now about the maintenance. First, I show how to print a nozzle check from the device without using computer. Press and hold the stop button and release it when alarm lamp flashes once. The nozzle check can be printed also via the utilities, where you find the cleaning operations, which I cover later. Based on this print, there are no missing lines, and I see the firmware and counter value printed as well. Similar, you press and hold stop button for 2 alarm flashes for cleaning or 3 alarm flashes for deep cleaning of the print head. Every cleaning of the print head puts additional amount of ink to the maintenance cartridge. Anyway, the most practical way to use print head cleaning is to launch it from the Inkjet Assistant tool. It's a must-have software. Its operations are similar on all inkjet models. If these cleanings do not help to recover the print head, then you can still try the ink flush. But then you should replace the maintenance cartridge. Next, I show how to replace the print head. Open the cover and press and hold stop button for 5 seconds. The cartridge comes in the middle position. I can replace the print head now. When you set up the printer for the first time or you replace the print head, then the print head alignment is recommended for best print quality. 4 flashes of alarm lamp will start alignment print. More detailed are described in manuals, and the video in the upper right corner on the previous generation covers it in more details. Finally, here is the maintenance cartridge replacement. MCGO4 is compatible with these models and can be replaced by user in a minute. On the Wi-Fi models, you find the maintenance cartridge status via the Canon Print app. My printer is giving the maintenance cartridge error, so let me replace it. Here I show the full and new maintenance cartridge. When I insert the new maintenance cartridge, the printer is automatically reset when the new cartridge is installed. For the end, let me share info that there is no transport mode in this generation of printers. Always turn off printer correctly using power button. You can also preset auto power on-off from the inkjet assistant tool. And that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel. Feel free to comment, give it a like if you found it useful, and subscribe to support my channel, as this helps me to grow and create more videos. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.